Logging individual application network usage in Windows 7. There are many answers here detailing programs that will monitor and log internet usage for a PC, but I need that usage to be logged and broken down, detailing which applications consumed that data. I've noted there are several that give a real-time feed of each application's data usage, Net Limiter, Win7 Resource Monitor, but I can't find one that will log such data. Anyone know of one? Need to track down which program is using up a friend's bandwidth.
There are a variety of programs to suit this purpose. Fiddler records all communications and even shows you to where/what, and which program was responsible. NetBalancer shows you a graph of a process's bandwidth usage. I presume this is what you really want to see, rather than a raw text output. It also allows you to limit and block network activity on a per process basis.
If you can't find anything you're happy with application-wise, a heavyweight but oh so satisfying when you work it out solution would be to do some network monitoring with Microsoft Network Monitor v3.4 right now, which would then give you the ability to slice and dice things as you wanted. Straight up though, it won't give you precisely what you're after, a per application level log, but it will give you the ability to slice the data up to get that information, if you're feeling creative. It's also kind of fun seeing where your data goes. Introducing Microsoft Network Monitor 3.4. I'm just performing a capture now while typing out this answer, and to add some variety into the mix, checking for Windows updates, and running the A to fetch some files. But as you can see from the screeny here, it can a bit overwhelming at first, I'll admit, but mainly I draw your eye to the left-hand side box, which will show you all the processes it's captured as generating network traffic. Opening up the application will then break it down into conversations, which you could further go into. It's probably better to just have a quick play rather than me wasting a mountain of words explaining, but in short, it's going to log every little bit of network traffic that it can. That's what's being displayed in the middle pane. Filtering it all back so you don't go insane. You can apply filters to the data you've captured in order to trim down what you're looking at, like say, knocking out certain IP addresses, protocols, or even particular processes, or even conversations if you wanted. The filter language is documented within the help, and it's got some decent canned examples, but just so you can see without downloading the package, some examples would be: and aggregating it to something a bit more readable, interpieces. Graphs are also available if you've got the relevant package installed. I don't on this machine, and the output will allow you to eyeball by destination where your traffic is going to and coming from, along with the headline figures, which will give you, in a roundabout way, what you're looking for. Someone may have developed an expert to do exactly what you're after, but I'm not aware of one, sorry. I'd offer to build something, but I'm kinda out of practice tongue. Anywho, using this, if you're feeling like having a play, you could approach your what the hell is chewing up my bandwidth problem with some basic logging of your interface using Pifman, which can help you isolate when things are happening or if it's a sustained baseload problem, and in parallel, or after the event, set up a network monitor trace to capture the data you're interested in. The more you can focus capture, the better, since you're going to end up with large capture files if you do it for any length of time. Once you've got all of that, you can run into puzzles and drill down to see which are your particularly hungry apps, and also where it's all going in some fashion, and heck, if it's HTTP or something else.
Maybe TCP view from MS internals will help you. Here's the link, this URL.
If you